Hello everyone, and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake, and today we'll be doing the third challenge prompt for this month, that word being pattern. I feel like I probably should have prepped a little more and worn a shirt with some patterns on it, but it's too late now. So with this piece, I was struggling a bit on what I wanted to draw when it came to the word pattern. I was thinking about doing a mandala, but personally, I've always been that person that gets really bored making them. My ADHD kicks in halfway through making them, and I mean, it's kind of sad because mandalas are always really pretty once they're finished. But I chose to do a design a bit more carefree and decided to go with a design of these cartoon-like watermelons. I thought the design was really cute and made me think about how here in Minnesota, I really don't have much longer before the snow decides to come in and ruin picnic season. So I thought I may as well draw my favorite picnic food. But I will be quiet and let you all enjoy this final bit, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word pattern. I think it turned out pretty good, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!